In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to download offline maps in Google Maps. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Maps. Make sure you have already logged in. Now click on your profile icon. Different options will appear. Click on offline maps. Now you'll need to click on the option, select your own map. A map window will appear where you can zoom in, zoom out, and move the map to choose the area you want to save. Adjust the selection until it includes all the places you need when traveling. Once you have selected the area, tap download and wait while Google Maps saves the map to your device. The download time will depend on the size of selected area and your internet connection. After the download is complete, you'll be able to view the map and get directions even when you don't have a Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. When you are offline, simply open Google Maps, search for a destination within your downloaded area and start navigation. Keep in mind that offline navigation works best for driving directions. So that's it. This way you can easily download offline maps in Google Maps. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.